The Sustainable Utility Management Workshop has various tools that are designed to assist the attendees to focus on their own management areas that they can prioritize and improve to make their system a more sustainable utility over time.
The tools in the Sustainable Management Utility Workshop are three. It's a rating, a ranking, and a plotting. And this creates a self-assessment for the utility. And that self-assessment allows you to rate and rank high, medium to low, where you feel your utility is in each of the 10 utility management areas. And when you leave the workshop, you actually have a plan for your system that you can take back and focus on anything that needs to be corrected or adjusted or worked on within the system.
Well, the USDA and EPA workshop was held right in the middle of all the things we were trying to do, and we said, well, you know, we got a lot going on. Do we really need to go to this? And of course we did, and I tell you, it's one of the best things we did during this whole process. The workshop in the box was a fabulous course to take.
You have operations specialists, you have supervisors, you have clerks, mayors, elected officials, board members. When they come together and share their experience and knowledge, it's very rewarding as a facilitator to see the benefits that they reap from the training.
Every utility finds that they have similar problems and similar issues with utilities across the nation.
Every seminar that we go to, or that I go to, I find that I learn something from my peers, the other operators that are at the workshop. You always learn something from the curriculum, but you'll meet another operator that maybe have a common problem and has a solution to that problem.
Oftentimes, after you do a multi-system workshop as an attendee, you now are empowered to take it a step further and do a team management exercise from within your own community.
I attended a seminar with my direct supervisor, the Department of Public Works superintendent, and I would encourage other system managers to attend the Sustainable Utility Management Workshop developed by the USDA and EPA, because there's a lot of useful information that they can use to operate their system and plan for the future.
I would encourage any and all small systems to participate in this workshop. There's no cost for the workshops, and it gives them the opportunity to sit down and assess their system with the workshop tool, which is something many systems really don't have a lot of time to do.
If you haven't ever been to the workshop, you need to go. It's very important for everything it teaches you. Take your administrator, take your superintendent with you, and take your mayor with you, because everybody needs to know what's going on there.